Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I installed this frontal wig, so continue watching. So today I'll be working with Megalook Hair Company, and I'm just going to show you guys what I received in my package. So I got an HD wig cap, a melt band, an edge control brush, some lashes, a fashion clip, and of course the wig itself. This was a 30-inch lace frontal wig, so I'm just showing you guys the extra stuff that came with it. And guys, look at this wig. Look at the wig. So it already came in a middle part. As you can see, this is a loose deep curl, and this is a glueless wig, guys, just in case I haven't mentioned. So I'm just showing you guys the inside, and I'm also showing you guys how the lace looks on my skin. So it already did come pre-plucked, and the knots were also bleached. So let's get into this install. So my hair is already braided back into 6 straight back braids. As you can see, it's nice and flat. So I am gonna go ahead and use my got2b free spray and spray my hairline and just brush any hairs back that may be in my way. Now I'm going to put on my wig cap. So I don't do the ball cap method. I am just going to push it back a bit behind my hairline, and that is that. So once I've done that, I'm going in with my concealer, and I'm just going to spread that all around the front portion of my hair where you will see the lace, and also on the back of the wig. And I also like to put some of the concealer on the top of the wig, on the lace as well, just to give it a better blend. Now I'm just going to put on the wig. And you also want to make sure the wig is fitting your head properly before you do anything. So you'll just see me trying to move it around, put it in place exactly where I would like it to be, making sure it's just fitting my head correctly. And then I'm going to go in and use my scissors and cut around my ears. That way my ears are not covered with hair or lace. Now that that is done, I'm going in with my Marie's beeswax, and I'm just going to apply that to my hairline and use my hot comb over it just to slick the hair back so I can see the hairline and exactly what I'm dealing with before I go ahead and spray it down. So today I am using my ebin adhesive spray, and this is the blue can one. So I'm just going to spray along the hairline, and then I'll be using my melt band to tie it down and drying it. Once I've completely dried the hairline, I'm going to go ahead and take off the melt band. And of course, the hairline is going to be hard just because this is kind of like a free spray. So I just went in and combed it through. And once I've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and start razoring off the extra lace. So if you don't have a razor and you only have scissors, I would suggest doing this in a zigzag motion and not just in a straight line. So now I'm just going back in with that adhesive real quick, and I'm just gonna spray back over my hairline so it could be melted, tie it down, and just dry it again. So guys, the same thing we did before, the same thing I'm just doing now. So I'm just brushing through that hairline just so that it's not stiff, and then I'm going in with my hot comb now to press it over. And so once I've hot combed the hairline, I'm gonna go in between and just fatten out the frontal portion. So I am going to be going in with my Murray's beeswax just because I didn't have my wax stick. So you'll see me just parting it, and guys, look at that deep part. Like, I was fascinated. So I'm just spreading a bit, and then I'm going in with the hot comb over it, and that's just how I get the frontal portion to lay real flat.
Too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, 'cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough?
So guys, I'm just brushing out the curls. Do you guys see how full this wig is? It was so nice, but I decided I was gonna wet it down just so that it is not so fluffy. So I'm going in with my water bottle, and there's only water in here, and I'm just spraying down the hair.
That I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, no, no.
So I'm just showing you quickly how the hair is looking, one side wet and one side dry. Yes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray the next side now.
Talk to you, boy. I don't wanna hear anything more. Boy, you really need to understand that I'm not your girlfriend. I just wanna be up in the club with my girls, yeah, sipping that pub. Never worry about la 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 love. And I never wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I wanna spend with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your.
So once the hair is wet, this is basically how it is looking. I decided to go in with some BioSilk and just rub that on the hair because it makes it feel really nice and silky, guys. Like, if you haven't done this already, make sure you go ahead and try this out with your curly hair. You can also use it on the curly hair. So I'm just applying that all over. And once I've applied that product, that is basically it. I'm gonna go in with my BioSilk Shine On Spray as well and just spray that all over the hair. And then I'll be using my oil sheen just to finish it up. I like my hair looking nice and shiny and sleek. So that is what it's giving. I was loving this. This is a 30-inch, guys. Like, what? So this is how it is looking without the black cape on. It kind of dried up by this point and I was loving the curls. This is a loose, deep, curly hair. So if you guys are interested, all the details on this wig will be down in my description box below. So shout out to Megalook Hair Company for sponsoring today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.